Welcome students, this is Chandan Singh Negi. Students, yesterday we have discussed about the R radius circle and some rules of the trigonometric identities. Today, students, we will discuss about the sign of trigonometric functions. That is sign of trigonometric function. For the understanding of the sign of trigonometric functions, let's draw the Cartesian plane. That is y-axis, and this is y dash. That is x-axis, and this is x dash. We know that x is positive here and y is positive here, and this is the first quadrant, and that is the second quadrant where x is negative and y is positive, and that is the third quadrant where x is negative and y is also negative. That is a fourth quadrant where x is positive and y is negative. Students, first listen. This one we have already discussed about the x in unit circle and r radius circle. What is the x? Axis of then x is equal to r cos theta and y is equal to r sin theta. We know that r is the positive, and just check the sign of this trigonometric identity in different quadrant here. This 90 degree is equal to pi by 2 in radian, and 180 degree is equal to pi, and 270 degree is equal to, this is 3 pi by 2, and 360 degree is equal to 2 pi, right? This is in first quadrant lie between this is 0 degree to 90 degree, and second quadrant, this is 90 degree, this is 90 degree to 180 degree, and that is the third quadrant, which is as to avoid the mistakes, we write this here. This third quadrant is lie between 180 degree to 270 degree, and the fourth quadrant is 270 degree to 360 degree. That means the first quadrant is pi by 2, second quadrant is pi by 2 to pi, and third quadrant is pi 2 3 pi by 2, and fourth quadrant is 3 pi by 2 2 pi. See this one, the first quadrant, that means 0 degree to 90 degree, x is positive, and we know that x is r cos theta and r is always positive. So here the cos theta is equal to positive, and sin theta is also positive, because y is equal to r sin theta. R is positive, then sin theta is also positive, and y positive. Then tan theta, this is tan theta, is sin theta upon cos theta. Sin theta is positive, cos theta is positive, then tan theta is positive. Now the cot theta and cos theta upon sin theta. Cos and sin both are positive, r is positive, r cancel out, that is positive. And sec theta, this is also positive because cos theta is positive. Sec theta is, this is secant theta, that means it is 1 upon cos theta, and cos theta is positive, then secant theta is positive. The last one is the cosec theta. So cosec theta, that is 1 upon sin theta, then sin theta is positive, then cosec theta is positive. In first quadrant, all the trigonometric identities, all the 6 trigonometric identities are positive. Now check in the second quadrant. Here, the first x is negative. That means x is, we know that, refer for the cos theta. The cos theta is negative. And y is positive. The refer for sin theta is positive. In second quadrant, cos theta is negative, sin theta is positive. Now tan theta is equal to, you know that the sin theta upon cos theta. Sin theta is positive, cos theta is negative. This is I write this as sin r sin theta upon r cos theta. R cancel out. The sin theta is positive, cos theta is negative, is equal to negative. In second quadrant, tan theta is negative. It's the same. This is cot theta is negative, cos theta upon sin theta. Now secant theta is 1 upon cos theta is negative, secant theta is negative. And the last one is the cosec theta is 1 upon sin theta is positive, then cosec theta is positive. Now look at the third quadrant. Here x is negative. That means cos theta is negative. I am not writing the r each time because r is positive. The cos theta is negative. And y is negative. This is y is negative. Then sin theta is negative. Then tan theta is equal to, that is minus r sin theta upon minus r cos theta. This is cancel out. That is positive. Plus sin theta upon plus cos theta is positive. Now the third, this is fourth one is cot theta. Again, this is cos theta, r cos theta upon r sin theta. Both are negative. Negative, negative cancel out. That is positive. Then cot theta is positive. Now this is secant theta. Secant theta is equal to 1 upon cos theta. Cos theta is negative. Then secant theta is negative. The last one is the cosec theta. Cosec theta is also negative because y is negative. Cosec theta is negative. And look at this, the last one, the fourth quadrant. Here x is positive. That means cos theta is positive. And y is negative. That means sin theta is negative. Tan theta. Tan theta, this is sin theta negative upon cos theta positive. Negative upon positive is equal to negative. And this is cot theta. Cot theta is negative upon this is cos theta upon sin theta, and it positive upon negative is again negative. This is secant theta. Secant theta is 1 upon cos theta. Cos theta is positive. That means secant theta is positive. The last one, cosec theta, that is 1 upon sin theta. Sin theta is negative. That this is negative. Now look this one. In first quadrant, all the trigonometric identities are positive. In second quadrant, the cos theta and secant theta are negative, and apart from these, all are positive. In third quadrant, tan theta and cot theta are positive. Apart from these two, all are negative. And the fourth quadrant, that is, there is secant theta and cos theta are positive. Apart from that, all are negative. That means in 0 to pi by 2, all are positive. Pi by 2 to pi, that is secant theta and cosec theta are negative. And that is pi by 2 to 3 pi by 2, tan theta and cot theta are positive. And then 3 pi by 2, 2 pi, these sin theta and cosec theta are negative. Okay students, thank you so much. See you then. We will discuss some other things or other concepts on the next sessions. Thank you.